find dy over dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x, by implicit differentiation. Implicit in the sense we do not isolate y. Okay, this is not given as y equals some function of x. Okay, so implicit differentiation, so we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So I'm writing dy over dx as y prime, just for the notation. So I'm going to take derivative of left hand side, means derivative of everything in the left, derivative of everything in the right. And I can see derivative of 5 is just 0. In the left, I got two terms. So from the sum difference rule, derivative of first term, so derivative of root x minus derivative of 3 root y. Now in the next step, derivative of root x. So root x is x raised to 1/2. Okay, this is x raised to 1/2. So the derivative is 1/2 x 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2, and minus in the middle. So 3 times derivative of root y. So 3 is 3. We can just pull outside. Now derivative of root y is slightly different than what we had. So derivative of root y means y raised to 1/2 derivative. So power rule. So 1/2 y 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2. But we are finding derivative with respect to x, but this is variable y, so we need to multiply by y prime. It's like when we have u in the chain rule, we multiplied by u prime. Okay, this is the case. For here, we could have multiplied by x prime as well, but x prime means derivative of x with respect to x, that's 1, so we don't have to write times x prime. But here, same thing, but we need to multiply. So this is 1/2 y raised to negative 1/2 times y prime. Okay, we didn't write x prime because that was 1. So y prime, in fact y prime is what we are looking for, equals 0. Okay, the derivative part is done. All we have to do next is isolate y prime, which is dy over dx. So this is one term, this is another term. So let's subtract 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 from both sides. Then I have now negative, this is 3 times 1/2 means 3 halves. Y raised to negative 1/2 we can put on the bottom. That is y raised to 1/2 on the bottom, which is same as root y, times y prime is equal to, now I'm subtracting this from both sides, negative 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2. Okay. Next, we need to isolate y prime. As you can see, negative, negative, we can multiply both sides by negative 1, or these negatives cancel. Now we divide by this in order to isolate y prime. And this one is in fact x raised to negative 1/2. We could have put on the bottom, and that's 2 root x. Okay, so let me rewrite this just to make our calculation easier. This is 1 over 2, and this one root x on the bottom. So now we are dividing this by this factor to isolate y prime. So y prime is 1 over 2 root x divided by this 3 over 2 root y. Now let's simplify this. So y prime is 1 over 2 root x. We change division into multiplication. So 2 root y on the top, all over 3. Now you can see 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom cancel. So we get final answer. That is y prime means dy over dx equals 3 root x on the top root y. So root y over 3 root x. Final